KV Core Tutorial. In real estate, staying organized and managing relationships effectively can be the difference between closing deals and missing opportunities. With clients expecting fast responses, personalized service, and accurate property updates, real estate professionals need tools that go far beyond spreadsheets or traditional CRMs. This is where KV Core, now rebranded as BoldTrail, comes into play. BoldTrail isn't just a new name. It represents the evolution of one of the most trusted platforms in the real estate industry. Formerly known as KV Core, this system is designed to give agents, teams, and brokerage everything they need in one place. From generating leads and nurturing them with automated follow-ups, to managing transactions and analyzing performance, BoldTrail covers every part of the real estate journey. What sets BoldTrail apart is its all-in-one design. Instead of juggling separate tools for websites, marketing campaigns, email outreach, and client management, agents can handle everything from a single platform. This saves time, reduces costs, and most importantly, ensures that no lead ever slips through the cracks. In this video, we'll break down the most important features of BoldTrail, explain the benefits of each, and help you understand why this platform remains one of the strongest choices for real estate professionals in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the Smart CRM built for real estate. At the core of BoldTrail is its Smart CRM, designed specifically with real estate workflows in mind. Unlike a generic CRM, it tracks not only client contact information, but also every interaction: emails, calls, texts, property searches, and website visits. You get a complete real-time view of your client relationships. This allows you to prioritize the right leads at the right time. Instead of guessing who's ready to buy or sell, the Smart CRM shows you exactly where each prospect is in their journey, so you can focus on the highest value opportunities. Another key feature is the custom IDX websites with lead capture. BoldTrail provides professional IDX websites that showcase MLS listings while highlighting your personal brand. These websites are mobile friendly, SEO optimized, and designed to capture visitor details automatically. Prospects can browse listings, save searches, and request showings, all of which feed directly into your CRM. Having your own IDX website means you're not dependent on third-party portals like Zillow or Realtor.com. You control the experience, own the leads, and build a database that grows more valuable over time. Another key feature is the behavioral automation. One of the standout features of BoldTrail is its behavioral automation. The platform monitors how your leads interact with your website and communications, such as which homes they view, how often they return, or when they save favorites, and then triggers smart follow-ups automatically. Instead of sending the same message to every lead, your communication is personalized and timely. This makes clients feel understood and keeps you top of mind without requiring you to manually track every action. Another key feature is the marketing autopilot. BoldTrail includes a suite of marketing tools that run on autopilot. You can set up email drip campaigns, text reminders, property alerts, and even scheduled social media posts. Marketing Autopilot helps you stay visible and engaged with your audience without spending hours creating and sending content manually. It's like having a personal marketing assistant working 24/7 in the background. Another key feature is the team and brokerage management tools. For larger teams in brokerage, BoldTrail offers advanced tools for lead routing, accountability tracking, and performance reporting. Brokers can assign leads fairly, monitor follow up activity, and measure productivity at both the agent and team level. These tools create transparency and efficiency across the organization. Every lead is accounted for, performance can be tracked accurately, and managers have a clear view of where the business is excelling and where improvements are needed. So, why is KV Core a great choice? So, Bold Trail, the new face of KV Core, is an excellent choice because it combines powerful features into one platform built exclusively for real estate. It removes the need for multiple subscriptions and eliminates the hassle of trying to integrate different systems. Everything works together seamlessly, saving agents and brokerages both time and money. In 2025, BoldTrail also continues to expand with deeper automation, better integrations, and more intuitive reporting. It's scalable enough for solo agents just starting out, yet robust enough for large brokerages with hundreds of users. That flexibility makes it one of the most future-proof solutions available in the market today. Most importantly, Bold Trail is designed to help agents focus on what matters most, building relationships and closing deals. So, by taking over repetitive tasks like lead capture, follow up reminders, and ongoing marketing, it frees you up to spend more time face to face with clients and negotiating transactions. Basically, Bold Trail, formerly KV Core, remains one of the most complete and reliable platforms for real estate professionals. Its smart CRM, IDX websites, behavioral automation, marketing autopilot, and team management tools give you everything you need to generate leads, nurture relationships, and grow your business all from one place. So, if you're looking for a system that not only keeps you organized, but also actively helps you win more clients, Bold Trail is a solution worth considering. It's built for the way real estate professionals work today, and it continues to evolve to meet the challenges of tomorrow. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.